Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The Small Business Association of Jamaica, SBA, is responding today to the standoff between farmers in Bernard Lodge, St. Catherine and SCJ Holdings. The farmers have decided to contest an eviction notice, insisting that they surrender their lands. President of the association, Hugh Johnson, is today demanding justice for the farmers. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
A tussle for land in Bernard Lodge, St. Catherine. Farmers on one side reluctant to leave, and the state-owned company which manages the lands in the area, SCJ Holdings, adamant on moving them to build out new communities and factory spaces. SCJ has proposed a relocation site for the farmers, which it claims will be added to the master plan at a later date. But even that proposal has proven to be problematic.
If you should know the area well, where they are proposing to put the farmers is an area that we call salt pond. The only thing that you can find there is swamp, salt, alligator, mosquito, and clay.
I think the farmers were apprehensive that what we would do is take them and dump them there without any supporting facilities. That's not our intention. And when we have explained this to the farmers, that we intend to put in irrigation, to have the land cleared, to make it suitable for agriculture.
The Small Business Association president is also raising concerns regarding the national land policy.
We have been calling for years on government to establish a land policy whereby we can understand what is expected to be done on these lands. And for some selfish reason, we believe it is not happening.
And just how far is the SCJ willing to go to seize the land?
We don't want to get into legal battles with anybody. But if we have to, we will engage lawyers to evict. But I am convinced from my interaction with the team interaction with persons in the master plan, all they want is a decent place to relocate and a little help by compensating them for their crops and so that they can start again.
Mr. Shakir says in addition to relocating the farmers, a compensation package is also being prepared for them. However, the farmers insist that they won't approach the negotiating table until the boulders blocking the entrances to their farms have been cleared. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
In currency trading, the Jamaican dollar continued to strengthen against the greenback, which now sells for $126.09. The Canadian dollar closed at $93.65. The pound is now selling for $163.06, while the euro ended the day at $143.92. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in April went up by 2 cents to settle at $56.77 a barrel. The JSE index lost 1,021 points today, while the junior market index gained 31 points. Among the winners were Dolphin Cove, Indies Pharma, T-Tech, Pulse Investments, and Stanley Motor. On the losing side were Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Kingston Properties, Cygnus Credit Investment US Shares, Siboney Group, and Medical Disposables and Supplies. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.